In this video, I will show you 3 different ways how to adjust wall thickness in Sweet Home 3D. The first method is changing the default wall thickness. To get started, go to File, Preferences, and New Wall Thickness. Here, you can set the default thickness for every new wall you create. You can also adjust other default parameters here, such as wall's height, floor thickness, and more. You can also switch between metric and imperial units here. After changing this value, just click OK. Now, every newly created wall will use the new default thickness automatically. The second method is adjusting wall thickness during wall creation. By drawing a wall, press the Enter key to enter the editing tooltip. You can type the wall length, angle, and thickness. Use the up and down arrow keys to navigate between the fields. This method is useful when you already know the exact wall dimensions before placing the wall. For practice, try different wall thickness and angles. Once you change the value, just press Enter, and the software will create a new wall segment. The third method is modifying walls after they have already been created. To edit a single wall, just go to the toolbar and click on the Select button. Next, double-click on a wall with the left mouse button. This opens the Modify Walls window. Here, you can change the wall thickness and several other parameters. Just set your desired thickness and press Enter or click OK. You can also edit multiple walls at the same time. Simply select the walls you want to modify, then right-click and choose Modify Walls tool. In this window, enter the desired thickness. Then click OK. This is especially useful if you want to update an entire floor plan quickly. Most users start by drawing walls at the default thickness, then adjust the exact values later in the Modify Walls window. This is usually the fastest and most practical workflow. To continue learning, check out the next video here. And if you are new, start with a beginner course playlist.